Good morning, students. All of you are doing well at your places. So from the real number, the concept of rationalization we will study today. What is the word rationalization means? Rationalization means expressing an irrational denominator to rational. Suppose if I write here 1 upon root 2. The denominator here it is root 2 and root 2 is always irrational. The square root of all non-perfect square numbers are always irrational. So 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Now this denominator needs to be expressed rational. How? That process is called rationalization. So what we do, we multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate term. That means if the product of two irrational number is rational, then they are said to be rationalization factor of each other. Here root 2 is RF, its rationalization factor. So it becomes root 2 upon 2. Now the denominator is rational and the process is called rationalization. Suppose here it has two terms in the denominator, root 2 plus root 3. Suppose if root 2 plus root 3, that means we need to multiply by root 2 minus root 3. If only one term is there, then multiply by the same number which is there in the root. But if number of term is 2, then we multiply by same number but with opposite sign. So what will be the RF of this root 2 plus root 3? It will be root 2 minus root 3. Root 2 minus root 3. So as you will observe always, in the denominator you will get the format of a plus b into a minus b. So you will use the formula of difference of square, that is a square minus b square. Here 1 is multiplied by these two numbers, it becomes the same, but in denominator a plus b, a minus b becomes root 2 ka square minus root 3 ka square. After solving we get here root 2 ka square is 2 minus root 3 ka square is 3. It becomes root 2 minus root 3 upon minus 1. Now you can multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1 to make it positive. So it becomes root 2 with minus sign and root 3 with plus sign upon 1. That is how you will rationalize the given content. Suppose, let us take an example. It is given that root 2 is equals to 1.414, root 3 is 1.732, root 5 is equals to 2.236 and root 10 is equals to 3.165. Now evaluate root 10 minus root 5 upon root 2. So can we directly substitute all the values which are given here? No. Why? Because first of all we will rationalize this denominator. First of all we will rationalize the denominator and then after we will substitute the value. So for that we need to rationalize. Here only root 2 is there, so its RF will be rationalizing factor will be root 2 only. To multiply both the numerator by root 2 and denominator both into root 2 upon root 2 into root 2. So it becomes root 10 minus root 5 multiply by root 2 and upon 2. Now it is rationalized. Now substitute the value. Root 10 की value is 3.162 minus 2.236 and multiply by 1.414 upon 2. तो subtract that 12 minus 6 6, 5 minus 3 2, then 11 minus 2 9, and 2 minus 2 0.926, and we can reduce this value 0.707, then multiply by 0.707, then multiply both of them to get the answer. You can multiply it. Is it clear? So before whatever the value we have to find, first of all the process is rationalization. First you will rationalize, then after you can do anything, whatever you have to substitute and how you have to solve. Let us take another example. It is given to us the value of x is 3 plus 2 root 2, and we have to find first x plus 1 by x, second x square plus 1 by x square, third is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power. X is given to us, and what here needed, x we have. If we get that 1 by x, then we will add them. So 1 upon x is equals to 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. If 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2, so now denominator needs to be rationalized. Now what will be its RF, rationalizing factor? Its rationalizing factor will be 3 minus 2 root 2. Multiply both n and d by 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. Ultimately see here, ones are multiplied, 3 minus 2 root 2, and here it is 3 ka square minus 2 root 2 ka square. No change in numerator, that is 3 minus 2 root 2, and in denominator 3 ka square is 9, and 2 root 2 ka square is 4, root 2 ka square is 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8. So that is the value what we have got, 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 1. So we need not to write. Now x plus 1 by x is equals to, x की value is 3 plus 2 root 2. 1 upon x we have got 3 minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 cancel. X plus 1 by x की value we have got 3 plus 3, 6. So first part we have got x plus 1 by x is 6. So for this square we will squaring both side. On squaring both side, what we get? Here we get a plus b का whole square, यानी x का square plus 1 by x का square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equals to 36. X and 1 by x cancel. Now transpose this to RHS. So what ultimately we have got, x का square plus 1 by x का square is equals to 34. These two transpose to minus 2, 36 minus 2, 34. So for x to the power 4 also we will repeat the same procedure on squaring both side. Rest of the procedure is quite similar. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 into x का square into 1 by x का square, that will cancel, and here 34 into 34, and same 34 का square minus 2, we will get the result x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. That is how these kind of question will be solved. I think it is clear now. Now next, see the next question. If x is equals to 3 minus root 2 upon 3 plus root 2, and y is equals to 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. So what we have to do, we have to find the value of x square plus y square. Before finding the value, we need to rationalize separately x as well as y. To rationalize x is equals to root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2, and what will be its RF, rationalizing factor, that will be root 3 minus root 2 and root 3 minus root 2. what we have got in the numerator, that is root 3 minus root 2 का whole square, and in denominator we have got root 3 का square minus root 2 का square. Root 3 minus root 2 का whole square is root 3 का square plus root 2 का square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2, and this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and here root 3 ka square is 3 and root 2 ka square is 2, and after solving here what will get, root 3 ka square is 3 plus 2 5 minus 2 root 6, x is equals to 5 minus 2 root 6. Is it clear to you? I think so. And if you rationalize y also, so definitely you will get the same number but with opposite sign. So y की value after rationalization you will find 5 plus 2 root 6. Is it clear? Now there are two methods from here. You square separately x, you find x का square, then you find y का square, then you add them. Otherwise first you add x and y and then you square. Whichever you feel easy you can do here. Here if you find square of x, so what we will get, x का square is equals to again a minus b का whole square, 5 का square minus plus 2 root 6 का square minus 2 into 5 into 2 root 6. Is it clear? Similarly if we square y also, so what we will get, y is equals to 5 का square plus 2 root 6 का square plus 2 into 5 into 2 root 6. So x का square what we have got, 25, and 2 root 6 का square is 4 into 6 24 minus 2 5 या 10 10 2 या 20 20 root 6, and the y का square what we have got, same number 25 plus 24 plus 2 5 या 10 2 या 20 root 6. Now add them, x का square plus y का square, that is 25 plus 24, how much it is, 49 minus 20 root 6, and here y का square is again 49 plus 20 root 6. So 20 root 6 plus and 20 root 6 with minus sign cancel, and ultimately we have got x का square plus y का square, that is 49 plus 49 98. That is our final answer. That is how you will solve the problem related to this. First process is rationalization, always wherever you see the denominator is irrational. Is it clear to you? Okay. The next question, it is given evaluate. What we have to evaluate, that is 15 upon root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80. What is being given to us? It is given that value of root 5, that is 2.236, and value of root 10, that is 3.162. So in the denominator if you observe, so there are 5 terms. So what to do? First we need to find which of them are prime and where could be solved, how they can be solved. See here 15 upon root 10 can be written root 2 into root 5, no common factor is there, so let it be there in the root 10 only, plus root 20 can be written 2 2s are 4 5s are 20. Similarly 40 can be written 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 5s are 40. Similarly root 5 remains unchanged, and root 80 can be written 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 5s are 80. So after this you observe that 15 upon root 10 in this 1 2 could be taken out, that could be written 2 root 5. Here also 1 2 could be written out and root 10, so that can be written 2 root 10, that is minus root 5, and this could be written 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Now you see here 2 root 5 and minus root 5 and minus 4 root 5, and here root 10 plus root 10, so root can be written like this: 15 upon root 10 plus 2 root 10, that is 3 root 10, and minus 4 root 5 minus root 5 minus 5 root 5 plus root 5 can be written minus 3 root 5. So in denominator 3 could be taken common. Take it. 15 upon 3 common, root 10 minus root 5. These 3 could be cancelled with 15. So here it could be written 5 upon root 10 minus root 5. Now we can rationalize it, as the denominator is in the rational, so we need to rationalize that. So what will be its RF rationalizing factor? Root 10 plus root 5, same number with opposite sign. Root 10 plus root 5. So ultimately what we have got? 5 multiplied by root 10 plus root 5 upon root 10 का स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 5 का स्क्वायर. तो 5 ब्रैकेट के अंदर रूट 10 प्लस रूट 5 अपॉन रूट 10 का स्क्वायर इज 10 माइनस 5 रूट 5 का स्क्वायर इज 5. तो हियर 5 रूट 10 प्लस रूट 5 अपॉन 5 कैंसिल. रूट 10 की वैल्यू राइट 3.162 plus 2.236, add them 8, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 5. The final answer is 5.398. That is how you will solve these questions. Need not to be scared after observing that so many terms are there, how we will rationalize. That is how first you will get the prime factorization. If any common factor could be taken out, then we will take it out, and then after we will rationalize. Is it clear to you? Now we will do the problems related to these questions. The next question is very common type, which is frequently asked and most of you have solved also. If 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5 is equals to a plus b root 5, find the values of a and b. That means we have to find a and b. So we will take LHS and we will rationalize first. So take that 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. So it's RF. I think most of you are known to that. RF will be same number with opposite sign into 4 plus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5. So in the numerator same number, so you will get 4 plus root 5 का square, because a plus b that is equals to a plus b का whole square, and denominator a square minus b square. Is it clear? Now expand that. 4 का square plus root 5 का square plus 2 into 4 into root 5 upon 16 minus 5. Now 4 का square is 16 plus 5 plus 4 to the 8 root 5 upon 11. 16 minus 5 is 11. Then 21 plus 8 root 5 upon 11 is equals to a plus b root 5. Since it is common denominator 11, so it could be written 21 upon 11 plus 8 root 5 upon 11 is equals to a plus b root 5. So before plus here it is a, and before plus here it is 21 upon 11. तो value of A is 21 upon 11 and the value of B is, B के साथ √5 है, यहाँ पे √5 के साथ क्या है 8 upon 11. The value of A is 21 by 11 and the value of B is 8 upon 11. That is how you will solve the problems where A and B value is asked. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.